Happy New Year 2024 mga kababayan! Nagbabalak ka din bang bumisita sa bansang Australia? Kung oo ang sagot mo, abay panoorin mo ang video na ito dahil sigurado nakakailanganin mo ang tourist o visitor visa. Share ko sa iyo ang mga latest information, everything you need to know, and the general requirements to apply for your own tourist or visitor visa to Australia. Siguradong kayang-kaya mo na i-do it yourself ito. Kaya stay ka lang dyan and keep on watching! Mayroong 4 streams ang Tourist or Visitor Visa Subclass 600. Visitor Visa Subclass 600 lets you visit Australia for up to 3, 6, or 12 months. Visa applicants need to choose from the 4 streams below depending on their intention of visit. 1. Tourist stream. 2. Sponsored family stream. 3. Business visitors stream. And 4. Frequent traveler stream. Para sa iyo ang tourist o visitor visa subclass 600 tourist stream kung ang purpose ng pagpunta mo sa Australia ay para mamasyal, magbakasyon o bisitahin ang kaibigan o kapamilya sa Australia. This visa stream is for foreigners who intend to visit Australia for tourism, go on a cruise, or visit family or friends. Ang tourist stream ay binubuo din ng dalawang category depending on the location of the visa applicant. Ito ay ang tourist stream applying within Australia and tourist stream applying outside Australia. Ibig sabihin ay pwede kang mag-apply ng visa na ito nasa loob ka man o nasa labas ng bansang Australia. How much is the visa cost? According to the Australian Federal Budget 2023 to 2024, Department of Home Affairs decided to raise visa application fees from July 1st, 2023, rising between 6% to 40% depending on the visa subclass. Visitor visa subclass 600 tourist stream apply outside Australia is currently 190 Australian dollars, an increase of 27% mula sa dating 150 Australian dollars. Visitor visa subclass 600 tourist stream apply in Australia is currently 475 Australian dollars, an increase of 27% mula rin sa dating 347 Australian dollars. Remember that you might also have to pay other costs for health checks, police certificates, and biometrics. Ito ang mga activities na allowed mong gawin under this tourist stream visa. At ito naman ang mga activities na not allowed o bawal mong gawin under this tourist stream visa. To apply for a tourist or visitor visa to Australia, you must have the following paperwork: identification documents o mga dokumento para sa iyong pagkakakilanlan. So first and foremost thing to do, check your passport. Kailangan nyo po ng valid passport or other travel document para sa visa na ito. Valid passport means dapat ang iyong passport ay may at least 6 months validity pa before the expiry date. If you plan to get a new passport or renew your passport, gawin nyo na po muna bago kayo mag-apply ng visa. Make a photocopy also of your travel history on your passport if there's any. That means kung may ibang bansa ka nang napuntahan, make a photocopy of the page na natatakan during your previous travels. Then you have to send these photocopies to the Philippine Notary Public para matatakan ng certified true copy ang iyong documents. Maaari mong ilagay sa bahaging ito ang detalye ng iyong government IDs like driver's license, voter's ID, SSS or GSIS ID at iba pa. Nagkaroon ba ng any changes sa iyong pangalan, sa iyong first, middle, or surname? Kung oo, provide documents gaya ng mga sumusunod whichever is applicable. Applicants must provide a certified copy of their birth certificate. Applicants must also provide one recent passport-sized photo. Genuine tourist intentions. The applicant must demonstrate that they are genuinely traveling to Australia for tourism or vacation. Invitation letter or an invitation from an Australian-based friend or family. The invitation letter must specify the inviter's connection to you, the reason for your visit, the duration of your stay, whether or not they would cover the cost of your stay in Australia. Pagkakakilanlan ng taong nag-iimbita sa iyo gaya ng passport o residency permit, inviter's evidence of address gaya ng mga utility bills like electricity, gas, water, or phone bills. Inviter's financial proof. If the inviter is covering the cost of your stay in Australia, you need to provide evidence of funds to sustain your stay in Australia, bank records for a minimum of 3 months, statements from credit cards, set aside funds, pay stub, tax documentation. If no inviter, you must provide self-evidence of funds. Applicant must show that they have sufficient funds to support their stay in Australia. Usually, the Australian government expects you to have a minimum of 10,000 to 15,000 Australian dollars as proof of financial stability. The duty is on the applicant to demonstrate with bank statements that they have personal funds to support themselves. You will have to provide an itemized bank statements from at least last 3 months showing evidence of regular income or earnings. Financial documents such as payslips to show about your employment. Another source of funds, for example, credit card statements or any term deposits the applicant may have. An applicant may show that a family member is offering financial support. However, this evidence bears less weight. May nagtanong sa akin dati kung pwede daw bang gamitin ang bank statement ng family member na willing mag-support sa kanyang travel. So, hindi po ako sure before but I found out na yes, pwede po. Type of evidence to show financial support from a family member. Family member's bank statement, evidence of family relationship, tentative booking for tourist destinations, activities, and accommodation, tentative itineraries, medical reports if visiting an ill family member or friend living in Australia, intentions to return to your home country. The applicant must demonstrate that they have substantial ties with their home country and will depart Australia after their vacation, which may include evidence of current employment, for example, letter from employer confirming leave approval, or employment contracts or payslips, evidence of enrollment in school and information about holiday period, evidence of ownership of property or land in home country, evidence proving the applicant's immediate family members live in their nation of origin, documentation of military service or, if relevant, military release, medical evaluations. If necessary, provide medical evaluations. Processing can be anywhere between 1 day to a month. There are some that takes longer than that. Most processing times are within 26 days. Common issues that cause delays in visitor visa processing times. There are many reasons why your application may be delayed, including whether you have lodged a complete application including all necessary supporting documents, how quickly you respond to any requests for additional information, how long it takes to perform required checks on the supporting information provided, how long it takes to receive additional information from external agencies, particularly in relation to health and character requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.